AI agents are powerful, but they can make mistakes. Before sending an email, submitting a form, or taking any irreversible action, you want a human to review and approve. LangGraph has first-class support for this, with the interrupt function. When your agent calls interrupt, the graph pauses completely. The state is saved. Execution stops. Your application can show the user what the agent is about to do. If the user approves, you resume with command of resume equals true. If they reject, you resume with command of resume equals false. Here's a practical example for our job search agent. After the agent drafts a cover letter, it calls interrupt with the draft. The user reads it, makes edits, and approves. The agent resumes with the approved version. This pattern is critical for production agents. Never let an agent take irreversible actions without a human checkpoint. LangGraph makes this clean. Interrupt pauses, command resumes. The agent has no idea time passed. It just sees the resume value and continues. Notice that interrupt requires a checkpointer. Without one, there's nowhere to save the state while waiting. So always compile with a checkpointer when using human in the loop. Next video, multi-agent supervisor pattern.